Hello students, today in mathematics class I will teach you addition and subtraction fact. But before starting this, I want to show you something by making pictures. Balls only. Okay, 3 balls. I am going to add now 4 balls. Now, how many balls are here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here is this is 3 plus 4. Here is 7. Now 3 and 4, these two are addends and 7 is here sum. Okay, sum of these two addends. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take this sum of addends here like 7. 7 balls now I will draw here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I will subtract 4 balls from here. This is the subtraction sign. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many are left? Let us subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 3 balls. So here 1, 2, 3. See, now here total 7 and here minus sign 4 and here 3. So what we get when we are subtracting one of the addend, these two are addends. So one addend I am subtracting here 4 from the sum of the addend, that is 7. Then what we are getting? We are getting the another addend 3. Another way, let us see one more way. If from 7 balls, 7 balls, I will now subtract these 3 balls. 3 balls. Now let us see. 3 balls going to subtract. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will draw here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is 7 minus 3. We are getting 4. So this is only. So from one addition fact, we can make the two subtraction facts. So here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 and 4 are addends and 7 is the sum of the addends. From this we are able to make two subtraction facts. That is, one is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. That first time we have subtracted one first this addend. And then another one is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So this only today I will teach you. Okay, one addition sum I will write here. Suppose 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. Yes? Now you have to write two subtraction fact. How will you write? Just before this I taught you by making the pictures. So what I was saying, when you subtract one of the addend, these two are what here? These are addends. And this one is the sum of the addends. Sum of the addend. Sum of the addend. So when you are subtracting one first addend, suppose sum of the addend is 50 and then you are going to subtract this 10, then you will get the another addend. That is what is given here, 40. So simple now children. So what is missing, that addend you have to write. Now second subtraction fact. This will remain same because whether you add 10 plus 40 or 40 plus 10, the sum is only 50. So 50. Now which addend? I have written here 10. So what is missing now? 40 I have not taken. So 40 I am taking 40. Then here the answer is, the difference is 10. So from one addition fact we are getting two subtraction facts. More I am showing you 100 plus 45, and the sum of these two adding is 145. So you have to write two subtraction fact. So first is 145 minus, take this 100. Then what will be the answer? That is another added 45. And then second subtraction fact, this will be same 145. Now here you have taken 100, so here you take 45 added. And then the difference will be 100. So children, these things are given in your book, exercise 6.9. So today you will complete in your book.